Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will see how to copy-paste charts from Excel to Word. So, here I have some data in Excel and a chart I've created from it as well. Now, what I want to do is copy and paste it into Word, but I want it that when it is updated in Excel it will also update in Word. I'm also going to do an option where it doesn't update as well. Now we just choose our chart. Click here. You will see it's come up with the border all the way around. Now, just copy the chart. And now we are go to Word and all I have to do now is to click on paste and it will be pasted. Now the beauty of this is that you can see here the data value is 20 and if I go back to Excel and change that to 30, the moment I go back to Word, you will see it is updated to 30. So it changes instantly. Let's see what other options are. If you click the paste option it gives you some options like you can see here. These two here allow you to paste but without linking. So, this takes the destination theme which is a theme in words. And this one takes the formatting base on what it is in the Excel. Now these two here allow you to link. Again you have got the destination formatting. So I want to choose this option and make a drastic change in the value, like let's change it to 100. Then you can see that changes are made here in the Excel, and now if we see the word you can see that the following change is made in this graph but not in this graph. These are the ways. Thank you. You can also check out other important tutorials available at our channel. Do subscribe our channel and suggest in the comment section if you have any video recommendations. Hope this helps you. Stay tuned.